In this video, we are going to solve question number 6 from exercise number 14.2. Find equation of line in Cartesian form which passes through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to minus x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to 2z minus 6 by 3. Let A, B and C are direction cosine of line passing through x1, y1, z1. Then equation of line is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. Here line passes through point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to line. X minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to 2z minus 6 by 3. Therefore, direction cosine of line are minus 1, 7, 3 by 2. From line, x minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to z minus 3 by 2. Therefore, required equation of line is x minus 1 by minus 2, y minus 2 by 14 is equal to z minus 3 by 3.